Welcome to Mountain Province.
Hello, hola, buenas. How are you guys up there? Today, I want to share our other photography with my hubby. Our photography in the northern east of Philippines, which is our beloved town in Mountain Province. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe below for coming videos notifications. So guys, let's see this.
Halsima Highway is a national secondary highway in the Philippines. From Baguio City, Benguet also covers the mountain province towns, namely Bauco, Sabangan, Bontoc, Sagada, Barlig, and going to Natunin. Even though this said road already improved, still so dangerous for buses, even for private cars, because of the cliffs on every sides of the road, including the many curves, and also slippery during rainy days. You can also enjoy while traveling because of the amazing natural views along the travel, including, of course, the fresh air. Along the road, you can buy also fresh different vegetables that local farmers have just harvested. And when you are hungry, you can stop in any restaurant along the road serving local recipes but nutritious and delicious food.
Saan tayo apaspasan? Tana pagkatidalan, ang mga noda mailangan. At tinulong nga ginawa, dalan pa sa lupasang at narangkis ka na sa hamag, nagalis ka na mata. Kadwa masapul laging nuray, nuawan timawayway, nuwada marigatan, masapul alalayan. Kalayan na balasiwan, napit sa akin adalan, masapul nga ang ladan, at bato abadyakan. Muadana kasal.
Mountain Province. Mountain Province is known by many as Kaigurutan and the people native called the Igorots. Mountain Province have a lot to offer, starting from native delicious and nutritious and of course organic food delicacies to tourist destinations. Mountain Province or La Montañosa boasts of being the first province to be evangelized by the American, and that so most of our folks, Igorots, including particularly the elders, could speak English. Our province alone have different dialect, and the province have two seasons, which is the dry and wet. Agriculture is the main source of income in this said province. That produces mostly organic rice and vegetables and native poultry as well.
Narangkis ka na sa hamag, nagalis ka na mata. Kadwa masa masapulagin nuray tapno awan kimawayway nuwada marigatan masapul alalayan kalayan na balasiwen napit sa'kin adalan masapul nga ang ladan ba't-bato abadekan.
The province capital or center is Bontoc. Mountain province have 10 municipalities, namely Barlig, Bauco, Bisao, Bontoc, Natonin, Parasilis, Sadanga, Sabangan, Sagada, and Tadjan. Of the 10 municipalities, Mountain Province has 144 barangays in total. Barlig is located in the eastern part of Cordillera or Car region, which is in the Mountain Province. People here are known to be hospitable and industrious and religious as well. The main source of income is farming. They cultivate what we call the organic rice and native poultry as well. Barlig have also 2 seasons, the summer or what we call the chakun, the local name of the season time, which is from February to April. The second is the wet or chinamoy, which is from May until mid of January. Almost of the day is raining. Barlig also have 11 barangays. The dialect of this said town is Finalig, and the local people called as Ifyalig. Barlig alone have tourist spots like the Amuyao, the Stone Rice Terraces, Lake Tufub, Siblao Tarao, and other more in undiscovered amazing falls, terrains, river part, and mountain, coast mostly on the local know it only. Barlig town is surrounded by pine trees, wild plants, and fields.
Kadwa aguray gaman saan tayo apaspasan tana pagatidalan amangan madama ilawan at tinulong ginawa dalan pa sa lupasang at narangkis ka na sa hamat nagalis ka na mata kadwa masapulagin nuray nuawan kimawayway nuwada marigatan masapul alalayan kalayan na balasiwen napit sa'kin adalan masapul nga ang ladan ba't-bato abadekan masera. Kayo'y tidalanta, kasapulan sirukenta, at nudumanon amasapa.
Also here in Barlig, where local hunters get natural pure honey from the virgin forest of the said also famous for its basket and backpack ratano weaving.
Ililing kay sublian, masaintay palawagan, panangiling tagatignayan, tulbati masakbayan.
Some few locals also make natural wine from sugarcane wine in a manual and semi-manual natural process.
Nabak ng kapadasan, tapnuin tay masurutan, iti gusto adalan.
They are cooking the cane juice